Hello everyone, welcome to another Git tutorial. Today we are diving into Git remote command, a versatile tool for managing connections to remote repositories. Let's explore how this command works with some practical examples. So first we have to initialize the repository, and then to add a remote you should use the command git remote add, and then let's say you have a repository hosted on GitHub and want to link that to your local repository. Here's how you do it. So git remote add, and then you have to give a name for your remote repository. Usual best practice is to name it as origin, and then go to your GitHub page. So I have this repository, so all I'm going to do is copy this particular link. So this is my remote repository link, and I'm going to paste it here. So I have added my remote repository and linked it to my local repository. So origin is the name of the remote. You can choose any name, and the URL points to your GitHub repository. Now you can push, fetch changes from this remote. To see a list of all the remotes connected to your repository, simply use the command git remote. So only origin is connected as of now. This will display the names of all the remotes you have set up, such as origin from the previous example. So if you want to rename your remote, you can use the git remote rename command. So which remote we want to rename? Let's say we have only one, that is origin. Let's try to rename that, and I'm renaming it to new origin. Just you can use anything, but I'm using new origin. Okay, so now git remote, and you only have new origin. So this renames the origin remote to new origin. Handy when you want to switch between different remotes. To remove a remote, simply employ the git remote remove command. For example, git remote remove and our new origin. So now if we use the git remote command, we do not have any remote repository that's connected to our local repository. So if we want to fetch some changes from our remote repository, you can use git fetch command for that. And we will be seeing git fetch and git pull, which we would be having a detailed video later. But for now, we will see how to use git fetch and git remote as well. Let me add the remote repository again. Now let's explore git pull command. And then I have to give it the branch name as well. And what is the branch name? Branch name is going to be main. Now I'm doing an ls and I'm having the readme file as well. So this pulls the changes from the main branch of the origin remote and merges them into your current branch. When you're ready to share your work with the remote repository, you can use the git push command. For example, I'm going to add a file, touch test git add hyphen git, and I'm committing it as well. This is a test commit. So git push origin main. So this pushes your local changes to the main branch of the origin remote. Now if other members try to refresh this page, they can see your test commit as well. So if you are having multiple repositories, which is remote repositories, you can use the command git remote -v. So this will show us the name origin is mapped to which remote repository. So if you have multiple remote repositories, you can view all of them using the remote -v command. There you have it, git remote command with some practical examples. Managing remotes is an essential for effective collaboration and version control. If you have any further questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We value your feedback and look forward to hearing from you. Stay tuned for more informative videos on software development and DevOps.